好，珠海到
How much was it?
50，珠海到那个到广州的高铁站在这里哈，谢谢哈，这里哈，好，这里50块钱，珠海到高铁站这里50块钱，珠海的高铁站，等一下。
Hey, good morning, everybody. We just came here from Mother and Father's house to the Zhuhai railway station. It's the first time that we're ever going to be on a high-speed train. We tried to book our tickets online this morning. It was a little bit difficult, and it looks really busy. So let's hurry up in there and try to get a ticket, and then we'll continue on a little bit later. So let's go, babe. Let's try to get a ticket. 那个保安在前面30米往右，人工售票处。在高铁，哇，好漂亮啊！这是珠海的高铁站。Pretty exciting, baby. This is for high-speed train station here, so. We just got to get inside there and try to find out where to manually buy a ticket. So this is 30 meters or more. So 30 meters out of here. 哎，这人工售票处哈，你没在网上买，你就在这里买。We found the line for to buy a ticket manually, not online. So there's a little bit of a lineup, but it probably won't be too long. 我们买了票进来了，呢。如果你是持护照，就在这个通道。中国的身份证就在随便哪个通道哈，持护照是这个通道，就我老公这里。High speed train. First time. 我们第一次坐哟。和谐号，这里看。和谐号，我们第一次坐，来了 ，three， 杨满 ，three。Number 3, yeah, here. Let's go. There I have air conditioning for sure. 哇，但只有站票没有坐票了。现在在高铁上，但是没有坐票，有些人没有坐票，买不到坐票，只有站票了。好，我们看几个小时到。Hello, everybody. So we finally got on the high-speed train for the first time. There's my little wife. Hello. So we got on the train here. It's supposed to be standing room only, but there's available seats now. If somebody comes along, we might have to get out of the seat and let them sit down. But as of right now, we're sitting down. It's supposed to be like an hour and 10-minute ride to Guangzhou. Yeah, so far it's nice and smooth, and it's not in Zhuhai. It was really hot, and here it's not too bad. So yeah. And we met some German friends here. We got some German friends sitting in a seat in front of us here. A young couple from Germany, and they're traveling around in here, and then going to Guangzhou, and then going to Vietnam. But yes, for me and my wife, we're going here, and then we're going to Fushan and also Shanshan, or no, not Shenzhen. So we got a few days traveling ahead of us here. This ride is so nice and smooth though, just like my power car. So, like your BYD. Okay, well we're just gonna relax here for a little while, and we'll catch you in a bit. Okay, turn it off, my love. Yeah, see you. 1个小时我们可以到广州，待会儿见哦，拜拜。到了，我们在火车上，火车站就中间2个德国的小孩子，
对，还有这个我们中国的一个朋友。Say hello, my YouTube, my German friends here. You say my German friends?
Ah, yes, Max and Anita. Max and Anita.
Max and Lida here. That's
Yeah,
from
so
Germany.
young German couple.
在那个广州南站打地铁去还方便是吧？
China.
打车。
还有我们这个中国的朋友还帮我们下一站我们该怎么做？因为我们的酒店还比较远。
We're in one of Guangzhou's railway stations here. We're waiting for the subway to come in here. And there is lots of people everywhere waiting for the subway here, including me and my baby. We're just about there, baby.
Yeah.
There we got off the high-speed train and now we hopped on the subway in Guangzhou. It's a pretty full subway here, but we gotta go like to the end of this line and we gotta go to the end. We're gonna be on here for over an hour, but if we took a taxi, it'd probably be 300 or 400 RMB. And we got a 3-day subway pass for 50 RMB, so $10 each. And we can travel as much as we want on here for 36 hours for $10 for 10 Canadian dollars. So we're gonna
现在就换成地铁，去机场方向的地铁，这里。Check in.
checking in at a hotel in Guangzhou.
Guangzhou. 11 now is
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock after 5 o'clock. 11点钟出发，从珠海，现在已经5点钟了，才到酒店。因为一直转车啊。酒店大堂。走，我们在512 512。
Hey, it looks like a big ass hotel.
I like it.
It's pretty plain
Beautiful.
so far. It's beautiful, big,
Yeah, very
spacious
beautiful
downstairs
hotel.
here. So, I don't know.
Actually, I
hopefully
like so far.
We got a business 512. You said the room.
512.
So, oh, this looks pretty decent, my love. It's a business
Hey,
suite.
you look at the bathroom.
It's fairly big. We got this here
Shower, wash
for about
hand.
$60 Canadian a night, and you couldn't touch this in Canada for $150.
How much?
It was,
I don't.
I can't remember. I think it was like, I'd
Oh,
have
it
to
is.
look. I got the bill here. Okay, they call this the Asian American Hotel, according to what I got on my thing here. The Asia America Hotel. So we paid $116 for the Asia America Hotel here in Guangzhou. It's a really nice big hotel, and that's for 2 nights. So that's less than $60 a night. So $58 a night for this place. So it smells good in here. It's nice and clean. It's very roomy. So you can't go wrong here. Me and the wife like it. We just got to figure if it's in a good location. So it took us forever to get here but we went for our first subway rides, which was quite interesting and fun. We did it. And it's raining like hell outside. We got soaked coming here, but it is what it is. It's only water. So what do you think, my love?
I want to live there, stay with them.
She wants to stay here for a week, so we'll see how things go. Okay, well, I'll talk to you in a bit. We need to get ready I need to go out and get something to eat, but my wife picked up some duck at the subway station. So, anyway, duck wing. Oh, okay. Alrighty, see you in a bit. For another hotel here on trip.com. That's what we've been booking all of our hotels on is trip.com. And I found one here, and it's for 2 nights it's going to be $85 Canadian.
Where to go?
And